Okay, so what if I told you the secret to healthier hair isn't some brand new, expensive product, but a really simple change in how you wash it? Today, we are diving into a powerful method from hair loss expert William Gonitz that might just completely change your entire shower routine.
A lot of us worry about our hair thinning or falling out, and we're always looking for these complex, high-tech solutions. But what if the answer starts with something super basic? It turns out how you wash your hair could be the key you've been missing all along.
So let's start with the big one. If you're noticing some hair loss, how often should you actually be washing it? I mean, is it better to wash less so you don't see as much shedding? Or should you be washing it more to keep your scalp really clean?
Well, according to the expert, trichologist William Gonitz, the answer is pretty clear. If you're dealing with hair loss, you should be washing it every 24 to 48 hours. Seriously, that frequency is the critical first step to creating a healthy scalp. But look, getting the timing right is only half the battle. The real secret here isn't just when you wash your hair, it's all about how you do it. So let's get into the nitty-gritty of what's called the double shampoo method. The main idea is almost shockingly simple. In Gonitz's own words, you're actually shampooing twice. Yeah, that's it. It sounds so basic, right? But believe me, this tiny change can make a huge difference.
Okay, so how do you actually do this the right way to get all the benefits? Let's walk through the exact process step by step so you can master it.
All right, first up, you're going to take a quarter-sized amount of shampoo. Now, step 2, and this part is absolutely vital. You are going to vigorously massage it into your entire scalp. Don't be gentle here. You really want to work it in to break up all that oil and product buildup. Step 3, lean back, rinse it all out completely. And then for step 4, you do it all over again. See, that second shampoo is what truly gets the scalp clean, now that all the surface-level grime is gone.
But hold on, your routine isn't quite done after that second rinse. There is one last, crucial step that a lot of people get wrong, and it has to do with your conditioner.
Just like with the shampoo, you're going to use about a quarter-sized amount. But here's the key. You're applying it to both your hair and your scalp, not just the ends.
And this is maybe the most important detail of all. You don't just slather it on and rinse. You need to actively massage the conditioner right into your scalp. I know, that probably sounds totally wrong, but think of it less like a conditioner and more like a soothing treatment for your scalp after that deep clean. It helps calm everything down and hydrate the skin, which is exactly the environment you want for healthy hair growth.
So you might be asking, why go through all this trouble? A double wash, massaging conditioner into the scalp? What is the actual point? Let's talk about why this lays the foundation for so much better hair growth.
The benefits are super direct and targeted. This whole process is designed specifically to support the scalp, to bring down any inflammation that might be messing with your hair follicles, and by doing all that, it creates an environment that flat out encourages more growth. And that right there is the big takeaway. This method completely shifts your goal when you get in the shower. You're no longer just cleaning your hair. You are actively treating your scalp, which is the living, breathing foundation where all your hair comes from.
So that really just leaves us with one final, pretty important question for you to think about. When you consider your own routine, is it actually helping your scalp, or could it be holding back the healthy hair you're trying so hard to get?